Have you been looking to break into the North York real estate market, but finding your budget just doesn't align with your expectations? Well, that all changes today.
We've got all that and more on today's episode. Scott, today we're in a beautiful location in the heart of North York. Tell us what you like about it.
Oh, there's so much we know you're going to love about this one. And let's start with the most important is transportation. We're a 2-minute drive out to the Highway 401. We're a 7-minute walk to the TTC in this subway. Easy commuter location here. But for me, it's about the things you don't commute to. Let's talk about walkability. We're a 2-minute walk out to all the dining and shopping you could possibly want for. In addition to that, we've got all your daily amenities, groceries, LCBO, pharmacy, all within walking distance. You just don't find locations like this very often.
All that paired with beautiful grounds and indoor parking. Don't miss this one.
Welcome inside your new condo. Now, I know you're gonna love this space. We've got nearly 800 square feet over 2 levels, but it feels so much larger than that, especially right here in this open concept living dining room combination. It all overlooks that sunny courtyard, so you're getting lots of natural light. And of course, as you can see behind me, open to the kitchen as well.
Not to worry, the kitchen doesn't disappoint either. From the white kitchen cabinetry to the stainless steel appliances, built-in pantry, and your prep area. There's lots to love here.
Welcome up to the second floor. Now, of course, in behind me, we've got your primary bedroom and the completely renovated bath that I know you're gonna love. But before we get into that, what really is important to me is this spectacular den space at the top of the stairs. Whether you're looking for that home office or just your own little space to get away, listen to some music or watch TV, this makes an incredibly versatile space. Now you can check out the primary bedroom.
Do you have barbecuing and outdoor space on your list? We'll cross them off. We have both. Imagine having a green space like this to walk your 4-legged friend.
Or maybe you're just looking for the ideal spot to go for a run, a walk, or maybe grab a book and curl up on one of these park benches and catch up on some reading. This is just such a spectacular location, one of many parks that are in a minute's walk of this beautiful listing. You just forget you're inside the city limits with all this green space.
We are the Knowles Wolseley team,
And we are video marketing experts. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.